Fewer homes came on the market and fewer homes went under contract over this past week. Days on the market are up to 10 median days before going under contract. It's Friday, August 20th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's edition of the Maryland Market Minute. Prices are still trending upwards. So does that mean that there is another housing crisis like in 2008? Well, in the 2004 to 2006 run-up to that housing crisis, there were a lot of speculative buyers in very risky loans that were being made to those who really couldn't qualify due to very lenient qualifying criteria. Today, mortgage origination is much stricter with qualifying and credit requirements very stringent. Buyers today also have better credit and are more qualified. Another factor contributing to the 2008 crisis was that home prices exceeded house buying power, but in today's market, house buying power is nearly twice as high as the median sales price nationally. According to Chief Economist Mark Fleming, housing is actually undervalued in most markets, and the gap between house buying power and sale prices indicates there's room for further house price growth in the months to come. What's that mean to you if you are in the market? Well, combined with the interest rate drop, statistics are indicating that homes are actually more affordable today than in the past 3 years, even with the staggering appreciation rates that we've recently seen. According to the National Association of Realtors expert Lawrence Yun, home prices are in no danger of decline due to tight inventory conditions, though housing prices may appreciate at a slower pace by the end of this year. Buyer demand is real, and inventory shortages caused by shortfall in new construction of homes has fueled the pricing increases. So here's what's happened in Maryland since my last week's report. 2,120 came on the market, and this reflects fewer listed for sale. 1,256 are coming soon. That's down. 897 homes went under contract. 1,753 are temporarily off the market. 1,485 went to pending, and 1,920 have settled since last week. That's much fewer than we had in previous weeks. The highest priced home to sell this past week was in the Caves Valley Golf Club of Owings Mills for $11,500,000. Rental inventory remains tight at only 1,026 units available, averaging $2,362 per month. This inventory includes a large amount of rooms to rent in a shared housing situation. That's your Friday snapshot for August 20th, 2021. Thanks so much for tuning in. Join me next week for another update, and be sure to subscribe for new content. Stay cool for another hot weekend. Take care.